The land is where we go to learn, to connect, and to find balance. Ice fishing is a traditional activity that can be enjoyed with family and the whole community. Stepping away from everyday life gives everyone a break from technology. It's quality time well spent with loved ones that will have lasting memories. We teach our children from a young age the value of harvesting wildlife. The balance that everyone needs is accomplished with being in the moment. A connection that can be obtained through fresh air, water, animals, and fire, which helps ground us. A campfire brings people together. It is also very sacred and is well respected. Taking this time to sit and wait for the fish to come gives us time to sit with ourselves. Fishing requires time and patience, which is why it's usually an all-day thing. There's a certain technique, style, and tricks to fishing that is taught. If it's not taught, it is definitely learned. Being out on the land requires focus on your surrounding and yourself. If you are cold, you have to make a fire. If you are hungry, you need to bring food. And if you don't catch anything, hopefully you can go back another day. My family is the most important thing in my life. I have been taught everything I know from them. They love being out on the land and keeping busy. They also hold knowledge from past family members who have long left us. I love the land, the mountains, the fish we catch, moments with family that I cherish, traditional activities that my grandparents did, which makes me feel closer to them. I always feel grounded and connected when I get to do things like this, and I have a greater appreciation for life.
Ice fishing, I would say, when I do it, it grounds me and I can reflect on the simple things in life and appreciate them. I find it's peaceful and I enjoy doing it.